Never gonna do that for a while. Take my chances. You have no right. No right. Woody's around the corner. Guns and ammo inside. Thanks. Just back on the main road.
We have blood here. We almost lost you there.
You all right? Yeah. Would you really help Obi? No. Built to keep people safe is going to trap them inside. This is Denbo in the reckoning. Open up those fences and let the people out.
Fences are still hot. We can't cut the juice from here. Try to call a power station. There's no one left over there. Gotta get the fuck out of here. Tell you what, there's no one left here either. Move it!
We can rocket those fences.
Gotta get across the river.
The bridges into the city, they're all bricked up. Well, let's just fucking blast our way through it.
We can't do that. There's a war going on over there. We cross any of these bridges, we're going to end up right in the middle of it. We have to come in outside of the throat.
Somehow, Fox, I thought we'd be traveling a lot better style than this, man.
You still fucking traveling? What?
More foxes.
What?
Can you fucking believe it? Nothing works out the way you want it to. There's something always comes around the corner and just gets you.
It's your choice, bro.
You know, I always wanted to see how the other half lives.
The old J&L can take us over.
It's a drawbridge. They leave it up.
Means it's not guarded. Can you get us there?
Yeah.
Let's go.